This is an interesting pattern for white because black is about to escape. So if white plays something like this, then black can just escape. And this won't be even a capture race because this won't be even close. And of course, playing here won't work either. And if white plays here, right, this is probably the first thing you're thinking about. This will become a one real eye versus no eye situation. It would look something like this, right? So white eventually cannot come in here because black can make a real eye after playing at number 2 and number 4. And of course, black must play this. If black doesn't play this, then white should be able to win this one. Or of course, if black is desperate enough, can start a ko here. But let's not go there. Black can play this and this, making a real eye, and white will not be able to have a real eye here. So black can succeed if white plays at number 1. So what else is there for white to try? And the only answer is this. This is really the only move left, right? Because all the other moves, black can escape like this. But here, white can cut, right? Now black cannot escape. And if black connects here, now white bends on the second line like this. If black tries this again, now this is a 3 liberties versus 2 liberties situation, and white will be able to win. So overall, pretty interesting pattern. What's difficult is probably figuring out that this doesn't work, and then finding this is not super easy, but it might take you a minute or two. So hope you had fun solving this little problem, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.